Why pay for fiber? MikroTik wireless wire RBwAPG-60ad kit blew my mind. 1 gigabit per second wireless link? Let's get real for a sec. Are you sick of dead slow network cables, endless drilling, or trenching nightmares? Maybe your office-to-office setup is still rocking those old-school Ethernet cables, slowing you down and stressing you out. Trust me, I get it. Nothing kills focus faster than unreliable connections when you're pushing deadlines. You're left staring at loading bars, frozen video calls, or worse, losing crucial data mid-transfer. Sound familiar? Feeling stuck between expensive fiber installations and sketchy Wi-Fi repeaters? Welcome to the club of frustrated tech warriors wasting time and cash just to keep their networks alive. It's draining, right? But let's crank that frustration up a notch. Picture this. Your clients are waiting, your boss is breathing down your neck, and your file transfers stall again. Cue the creeping burnout. You can't justify the $10,000 fiber install, yet Wi-Fi extenders just aren't cutting it. Missed deadlines, choppy video meetings, and hours wasted troubleshooting become your daily grind. You're not just blocked, you're straight up trapped. And while your competitors upgrade, you're stuck babysitting tangled cables and patchy signals. Feel like screaming? I did too. And that's why you need to see what this video's about to reveal. It's not magic, but it's close. Introducing the MikroTik wireless wire RBwAPG-60ad kit, your instant ticket to wireless freedom. Think fiber speeds without the fiber price tag. This futuristic duo uses AES encrypted 60 GHz wireless technology to create a 1 gigabit per second full duplex link, slashing the need for physical cables. Setup? Insanely simple, point, power, done. Whether you're connecting offices, factory floors, security cams, or digital signage, the wireless wire delivers lightning-fast, interference-free networking up to 200 meters, even through Windows. Why's it called wireless wire? Because it literally replaces your Ethernet cable without losing speed or reliability. Seriously, it's plug-and-play networking wizardry. The perks? Oh, they're juicy. Forget about digging trenches or calling expensive installers. With this kit, you'll be streaming, uploading, and transferring like a pro within minutes of unboxing. Stable 1 gigabit per second speeds? Check. No interference from overcrowded Wi-Fi bands? Check. Secure AES encryption? You bet. It's weather-resistant, future-proof, and even includes pole mounts, wall mounts, and table stands for every scenario. Whether you're a business owner, IT pro, or just a tech lover who's sick of cable chaos, this solution simplifies everything. Sound tempting? Stick around and let me walk you through how this magic works. Thousands of businesses worldwide have already ditched cables forever thanks to MikroTik. And guess what? Stocks won't last forever. If you're serious about network freedom and crave 1 gigabit per second speeds without the fiber price, now's your chance. Don't let slow connections drain your momentum any longer. Join the wireless revolution with the MikroTik wireless wire today, before your competition beats you to it. Click now, grab your kit, and experience networking that feels like cheating, but isn't. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Ready to cut the cord? Hit that link and unleash speed.